Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. This video is all about the BMW Mini, which comes with a very basic BIS01 system. Now, if you're not familiar with what BIS01 means, in essence is a very basic infotainment system in your Mini, which only has 5 icons on the home screen. Unfortunately, when you have that system, you cannot add Apple CarPlay to it via software through BMW, and you unfortunately can't even add hardware behind the scenes to give you CarPlay on the original screen. So what we have to do is we have to take out the BIS01 system, which is this one right here. Oh, hold it the right way up, that system. We have to take out the controller and we have to upgrade it to a more comprehensive Mini system from a higher spec unit, which actually enables you to have Apple CarPlay coded on. Now, it doesn't look any different. However, you now have a touchscreen, which you didn't have before. So if I go inside the menu screen, I can actually use this touchscreen now on here to actually control it if I want to, just like so. Up and drag up and down. The actual buttons are the same layout. You've got the ambient lighting still around it, and the controller, even though it looks similar, it is slightly different. Where you used to have the COM button, you now have map button down the bottom, because you actually have now full BMW built-in sat-nav as well as Apple CarPlay. So it is a much better upgrade. But what you're watching this video is for, because you want CarPlay. So I'm going to go to the screen, I'm going to rotate down to Apple CarPlay. I can touch it on the touchscreen, but I'm just going to touch it in on the dial. And now the customer has touchscreen and controls from the iDrive Apple CarPlay. That's why you're watching this video, because you're on Apple CarPlay. This looks identical, same size screen. There is other videos on our YouTube channel showing the more advanced screen with a larger wide screen. That's called ID6 MBT Evo, if you want to look at that. That's another video on the channel. So that's the higher spec, more expensive option, but this is just more cost-effective, affordable option if you don't quite want to stretch that top of the range ID6 system. Customer's now got Apple CarPlay on the touchscreen, so now he has access to Google Maps, Waze, Apple Maps and Tidal, and it all still operates. Your service history comes up on the screen. You don't lose anything doing this option. It's purely an upgrade using factory BMW genuine parts. It's not a simple system to fit. It takes someone here a good 7-8 hours to install and code. It's not plug and play. There is no plug and play solution for this car. This has to be made to install and made to code to the vehicle. So it's not something you can do yourself, unfortunately. You've got to have the BMW diagnostic tool to code it all in. But this is a BIS01 upgrade to the navigation option with Apple CarPlay touchscreen in a F56 2015 onwards Mini. My name is Connor. This is John Cleese Car Audio. Got Max behind the camera. And from all the installers at John Cleese Car Audio, we hope you have a good day. See you later.